Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. It's Nikki here and I'm coming at you today with a painting collaboration hashtag First Saturday Art. And as you can see, yet again I lost the start of my video. What happens is that I turn it on and sometimes it just doesn't get the first part of the recording in when I'm drawing and things like that. So apologies. Not that, it's very interesting, but yeah. So I'm using watercolours again today, and I've got a little seahorse here. And the reason for that is that for today's prompts is it's June's first Saturday art, and the prompts are Father's Day, summer, strawberries, lemonade, zoo, aquarium month, rainforest day, hot air balloon, iced tea day, black cow day, or as we say in Scotland, black coo, a coo, sushi day, martini day, and there's a wild card where you can do whatever you wish to. The prompts are there just to get the juices flowing, if you know what I mean. So I chose aquarium, and I just love seeing seahorses because I don't think I'd ever get to see them actually in the ocean or anything, but in aquariums you can see seahorses, and I think they're just strange little critters, aren't they? And so I'm using my Caran d'Ache Neocolor 2 pastels, and one of my I just love drawing with them. I shouldn't say drawing, I should say painting, shouldn't I? I don't know why I used a very, very, very small brush there. No idea. I'm just thinking and I can't think why I did, but hey. So yeah. What should we talk about as I'm just painting through this blues? I just went blues. I've done greeny blues and purpley blues and just blues. So my little work surface there, which is a wooden desk, was built on the boat, because I'm back on the boat, by my hubby. Those who know me for a long time will know that I've lived on land and I've lived on the water as well, and we're back on the water, me and hubby, back living on the boat. And eventually we will sail it back to New Zealand from the UK, and we're living at anchor at the moment. And I have to wait for practically still days to do any painting, and then I have to do a couple at a time. Of course, obviously, because we're at anchor and things move about a lot. So there we go. That's probably why I keep losing the beginnings of the paintings, because I have to do a couple at a time. Hey ho, that's how life goes, isn't it? I still don't know why I used a small brush. Maybe I was just too lazy to get out a medium-sized brush. So yeah, so the wooden desk. I was talking about the wooden desk. When I spill paint on the wooden desk, if I don't get to it quickly, it just soaks into the desk, because the desk does not have any varnish on it or wax or anything, and so it just soaks right in. And I've been waiting, I don't know, is it 8 to 10 years for hubby to varnish the desk for me, and I'm still waiting, so it will probably never ever get varnished because I refuse to do it. Actually, it's because varnish smells so much, that it's difficult to varnish when you're living on the boat, because of the smell, basically. Anywho. So yes, I think that's a purpley colour. I'm not quite sure. I don't have the paints with me at the moment because I'm house, cat, dog, and sheep and coo sitting for a friend while she goes on holiday for 2 weeks. So yeah, if I'd have realised that I was going to be house sitting, I would have waited and done my painting in her house instead. But hey, when I was doing this, I didn't know I was going to be house sitting. So there you go. And if it's echoey, it's because I am sat in her conservatory, or orangery, if you like, while I'm doing this, and it's lovely and warm. But hey, so I've done the seahorse. I've got my splatters in, and now I'm outlining because I'm a mixed media artist, so I don't mind using pen. I'd use stencils and, just having a bit of fun with art. Do what you want. There's no one who says that you can't do what you want. It's your painting, it's your craft, it's your art. You do what you want. I gave him a little bit of a funny shaped head there, but hey, it doesn't matter. Does not matter. I don't know why my big head's getting in the way. I do actually. My hubby moved the camera for me while he was getting into the anchor locker the other day, and didn't go back in the right place, and I didn't notice. So there you go. So, I'm just doing light to dark blending. This isn't a masterpiece. This is just me having a little bit of fun with it as we go. So my birthday's in June. I thought I'd just mention that, I'm going to be 64 years old this year. Life is marching on at amazingly increasing speeds, but, that's how it is. So you've got to live your life to the full, do what you want, as long as you're not hurting anyone else. And if you want to paint your seahorse like this, you paint your seahorse like this. No one says it's going to be lifelike or anything. Hey ho, that's the way it goes. My cat is sat on the sofa just looking at me. He's actually pleased to be off the bed because he's still trying to find his sea legs. So he's happy to be on terra firma for a little while. And he's not very fond of cows. First time he's met cows, so hey. Luckily, they're not the kind of cows you have to milk. Below this video will be a list of other artists taking part in the collaboration this month, and so please do check them out. I'll link it in the comments and in the show notes as well, in the description box below this video. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. Well, I'm just hoping you will. Thank you for liking, and I will see you all again very soon. Next month. It's difficult to paint while you're on a boat. I hope I don't lose whatever I've gained so far, but who knows? I don't. You use it or lose it, as they say. Maybe I will write a book of our sailing adventures, and I'll do the drawings, the illustrations for it. Who knows? Anywho, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out all the other artists taking part. And yeah, I will see you all again next month, if not sooner. I may or may not do other videos in between. We will see. It's very difficult at the moment for me, but I am determined this year I will complete a full year of the collaboration with Ayala. Martha, I love to paint. Also Ayala art, and yeah, great fun. See you all again very soon. Thanks for watching. may have said that already. I'm getting older. I can't remember. Anyway, splitter, splatter, splatter, splitter. Off we go. See you all again soon.